Right. Good day in the end. Right. Hello, hello, hello. Good morning, everyone. Get the camera up and ready. If I can. There we go. Beautiful. Good morning, everyone. I hope you guys are doing well. Welcome to another beautiful session over here. So, let's get into this. Looking like a bit of volume's happening already on GA, which is nice. Let me just put this here. Just get that off. Tap there. Yeah, how was yesterday, guys? Let me get the live stream up there. How was everyone in YouTube yesterday? How did you guys do? I took one trade and it was beautiful, it was good. I lost faith in it. I think I pushed it out of it, you know. Wasn't feeling still the best, to be honest with you. And I decided to get out of this trade a little bit too early. Literally a minute later, we ran to full TP, so that's great. That's just how it goes sometimes. So let me... where the fuck... Oh my god, how do I get this fucking... Oh, there. So... let's put this up there. Very good. Got the sales correction finally down to retest. Wow, look at gold, man. Gold flew later on in the day, eh? Like 3 o'clock. Flying. Very, very nice. Okay, so first things first, what do we normally do? Well, we check the news, right? Checking the news... make things a little bit easier just to see if there's anything that's going to bite us in the ass that you may not be looking at, okay? Done with the fact that it's just fine. Yeah, but he made it all back again as he always does. Straight after. I don't know why you guys after Don's trades don't just sit on his fucking signals, because he does it every day. Easy money, Tommy boy. Okay, so yeah, in the morning, you know, you can see here there isn't much news to be honest with you at all today, which is fine. Makes life a little bit easier. In terms of the daily time frame, the daily time frame is actually closed below support, which is interesting, and a very strong bearish candle. You know, so what do we expect? Well, potentially now to continue bearish over here. You know, what I would want really here from this candle is to make the top wick, which is what it's doing right now. It's got no bottom wick, which is fair, there's no room, but it's still a closure below. Hopefully a top wick here, a flip, and then a push, and hopefully a push to the next zone, which would be like there. Back down to go retest 1915, so that could be a good target today. That could be a great target. Yeah. So let's just write this on the daily flip there. Just so that we can see, you know, the other time frames. Always like the daily flip on there. 4 hour time frame, okay, is pushing up a little bit. It's retracing. That's fair dues. Let me just put this up there, okay. So it has retraced. There is still, you know, huge levels of support here. You can see, you know, anywhere in this area for me, could be looking for W formations again. There's one kind of down here. So yeah, I mean, in terms of actual closures for sells, for these sells that look good on the daily, we've got to close really, you know, below quite a lot of this support here. Take a look at the hourly and the 30-minute, same kind of story. You know, we just got a major support, you know, towards this area here. Okay, yeah, that makes sense. If you look here, every single time we come come down to this level, we react off there, like this. This distance, what is this? Yeah, like 15 pips. So yeah, I mean, a closure below, continue back down to 1933, I think would be delicious. Okay. Would I need a strong closure? Yes, because there's a lot of wicks here. I've got to have a nice, strong, thick closure, nice top wick, flip, push into this zone. Okay. But yeah, I don't think that's bad at all, especially for the fact that we'll be flipping the daily. The zone is pretty big. It's big enough. So yeah, it looks good. I'll show you the trade that I took yesterday, which I pussied out of, which was painful to watch after, but yeah, it was good. I'll show you in a bit. And then, what's this? Damn, after Bank of Canada interest gold pump 300 pips. Yeah, wow. Yeah, that shit ran. Damn. So yeah, in terms of that, that's where my sells would be. Buys are going to be interesting because we are still bearish. We're just retracing right now. I know it's bounced off this level and came bullish again, so it may continue bullish here, and mirror this candle again. How would you want to get into that trade though? It's a little bit harder just because the bearish momentum, the bearish daily closure. I don't really like taking trades that have came to a low, just retraced, and then trying to take the buy straight off it. It needs to kind of come back down again. You can see, like, this one here came up, came back down. This one, kind of just came back down. So yeah, I think I need to wait for some sort of retracement, and then potentially later on a break of that high or break of whatever resistance it makes here. Could be nice to then continue bullish. All of the traffic kind of ends like that. So I'm just gonna have that little line on there. Asian fake lifting could be nice now. The price action is awful on this Goldie right here. Yeah, Asian session was pretty poor, and the price action right now is pretty awful. So yeah, I think we've got to wait a little bit. But I think in terms of potential today, if we do break this low, we're going to be pushing down. But also, in these areas, I will be looking for W's because it's just such a strong support. Yeah, it's a huge support, to be honest with you. And obviously there is a lot of rejections there. So yeah, W's would be nice there. So it'll push when it starts to go like yesterday. Yeah. When do you know the push is going to start though? Could it be this 5-minute candle now? Could it be the next one? So yeah, I think maybe the buys later on if we come back down to this low and react off it again to continue back up to fill to 1956. I think that would be good. But right now, yeah, we just had a massive move, a huge move with news. Price likes to retrace and kind of do nothing after that, which is fair enough. But yeah, so I've got the sells below, buys. We'd have to wait a little bit longer for buys. So yeah, yesterday we took this trade. I'm only going to go for it shortly because it's going to make me cry. But I got into an M form. It's a bit of a deformed M. That was kind of the reasons why I wasn't really the most confident in it. But I took, looking back at it now, it's still not the nicest. So we looked at this. This is the high, this is the lows, the high, closure below. So yeah, I took this trade here. I got in a little bit early like there, stop loss above. Go target this. Obviously it played out to the T, but I closed because I didn't really like how we were arranging it for quite a long time, and I was like, you know what, I think because it's a deformed M, I'm not really too asked. But if you go to the lower time frame, and this is just sometimes just a bit of bad luck, right? If you look here, just show you where I got out. I got out on guess when? This candle here pushing back up. Next one ripped and actually went. So that was painful. 1 minute candle I had to wait another one for, and then I would have taken 2-to-1 risk to reward nearly. Nice. So yeah, Waiting on here on Goldie. Pretty simple though. Bearish. Do have a major support there though, so W's could be nice. Pretty simple. Pretty simple. How many W's have you taken overall on live and paper? On live probably. If this tally them up right. Yeah, it says 6 there, but that's wrong because I've got 6 here. Yeah, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. I've taken 17 on the signals. Yeah. So GJ now. GJ's looking interesting. Had a nice little push up as well from yesterday. Daily time frame right now still very, very bullish, right? Looks like the 5-minute time frame starting to make some decent structure as well. Still very bullish. We just had a nice bullish daily candle above. Look at this. The daily candle's closed above. Wowza. With good rejection wicks in the previous zone, so looking very strongly bullish here. Still though, the left hand side is still miles away. Still got that little target at 175 to go tap. That could be your potential daily target, but because we've closed above, have we actually closed above? Yeah, because we've closed above, we should here now continue fill the previous wick and then break it. Take a look at the 4-hour time frame. Yep, price has been high. We've retraced through Asian and now starting to maybe make some support there, which makes sense for the buys. The hourly, the 30-minute, all this kind of stuff. Yeah, I mean we've been making some support. What did we really do here? Well, we went and tapped the previous zone. Yeah, rejected. So you just gotta look and see where would you potentially want any trades. I mean, yeah, you are at highs, which makes it harder because you just look to the left and go, right, what happened in these areas? And yeah, it's rejected every single time, so it makes things a little bit painful. But let's just go for sells potentially first. Yeah, the issue with sells here is there's loads and loads and loads. The music is a little bit loud. Oh. GJ, there's loads of IC candles, order blocks in these areas. This one could be classed as maybe 1. This code could be classed as 1. This is like a proper full block there. So there's a lot of levels here that you could potentially look for to take buys at. But sells in them areas are going to be tricky because there's just so many levels of reaction. So yeah, I wouldn't want to look for sells there. Max was an IC candle. To me, it sounds like an interruption candle. That's what so an interruption candle is like something like this, right? Price is going bullish, it's pushing up. This candle here closed bearish. It's interrupting the move. So when price is interrupting a move, it tends to hold at this level now if you draw it on the interruption candle like that. So yeah, gonna be quite hard to take sells on GJ, to be honest with you. I'm not gonna be really looking towards the sells. And buys are gonna be quite hard above as well because we haven't closed above. So yeah, I mean maybe 380. Continue back up. How high was this? Yeah, 700. So maybe back above 380. Yeah, with a strong candle. And that's the only thing I could maybe look at. Get a nice little push. Okay, simple. And that's me pretty much done. Let's take a look at EJ. I know there was a little bit of news this morning. Probably the same as GJ. Daily is not as high. Daily is not as high. 4-hour time frame, yeah, done the same thing, you know, kind of pushed. Now it's retracing a little bit here through Asian, and now it's hopefully going to be making some supports. Hourly, 30-minute, Yeah, it's exactly the same as GJ. Apart from the zone above, yeah, the price action is pretty shit. To be honest with you. So that's fine. And yeah, we're good. Control FX lost every 100 pips on gold yesterday. 100 pips stopped for 10 pips. Yeah, but he made it all back up in the next 3 hours. So it doesn't matter. At the end of the day, you break even. It's the same as me. I think he got pretty much all of it back. So yeah. Very, very good. I knew he would. I was just waiting for a story. I was like, let's just wait. This. Saw this started pushing now. I'm like, yeah, he's gonna take so many sells of this. So yeah, still feeling fucking under the weather. This is kind of pissing me off now, to be honest. It's lasting way too long. What can you do? What can you do? Hi Max, I saw a W setup on G8 625 at the time. Was it valid? This one here, yeah. I think it wasn't too bad. I think Tom took that one. Yeah. 8 pip stop, getting there is like 6 break even. You got a little water block there, which could be the take profit. For 12, yeah. Nice. Was that a support as well? Yeah, it was a way you'd expect support to be made because of the resistance here. Run here. I didn't even know what trade he took. Was it this one? Somewhere here, maybe. Yeah, for me though, like if you just pay attention, for me there, I think I discussed it on stream. Like you know, the sell here, it wasn't below support. Like the support's all there. So you know, in terms of the trade, it was maybe just a little bit too early. Like if you just draw the lines there and there, I wouldn't want to be taking a sell there with the stop loss that big. When all I gotta do is wait for maybe a closure below there, and then I've got that move. You know. You know, mate. But yeah, I've had two. I mean, this is a winning trade. This one was a winning trade. It's not 26 pips. Not been too bad so far. And in terms of overall trades taken recently, I mean, obviously I've been ill, but yeah, it's been nice ones. Like 12 winners. It's been good. It's been slow just because of being ill, man. I got caught in that sell. Yeah, I think instead of just blaming on Don, just look back and go, why did I take the sell here? If you look at the 5 minute and you're taking a sell there, and there's support right there, why don't you just wait for a closure? Why don't you just wait for a closure below here? Oh wait, you could have. And there's your trade. Which Don probably actually took. I think he just got in a bit too early. So don't try and blame it on him. Just look back and go, you know what? Don didn't get in early. Don got in exactly where he wanted to get in. But you, on the other hand, could have maybe looked and gone, you know what? Yeah, maybe this distance from there to there wasn't worth my 100 pips stop because we have supports right there that have been respected before in recent times. Why don't I just wait until we close below here and then I get all this move? Which was bliss. So just remember that. Remember that. Yeah. see that. I see that. I see that. I do. Actually, because you can get away pieces to do my own analysis. Interesting. Yeah. As I say again, no, it's just another day in the markets, man. You know. Yeah, that one was beautiful. So yeah, looking at gold here, as I say, yeah, I always tell people just look at the price action. Just be careful. I think today, guys, I think I'm gonna move the Sims again. I think Sims later on are a little bit painful. I think we should do Sims like at 10 o'clock. You guys agree? Like in the middle of the day. I think later on it's just like, oh, it's boring. But if we do it in the middle of the day, we can, we're already on the charts anyway. That means we just get it done. So I think we're gonna do the Sim today, like 10 o'clock. And actually one of the main reasons is because this gaff in this room starts to get hot at like 2:30, 3 o'clock. I'm absolutely sweating. So yeah, in terms of actually zones below to get back to the low 1940, what would you potentially want to do? I mean, we have a minor support there, 1945. So could you potentially get a closure below there? I don't see why not, because the zone below is clean. If you look at the 5 minute, if you just get below the support, what do you have below? Strong clean zone, up and down. Yeah, could you say that's an M? Maybe. But the volume's coming in. Yeah, I think that would be great. And then that would be the 4-hour break in the previous low. It would be the daily, made the top wick. Obviously, we've got 13 minutes left. So, you could potentially may have to get in on the 5 minute. Which would be quite interesting. I haven't really taken one of them, but I think starting to maybe get in on the 5 minutes is, when the zone's clean, could be decent. No top wick on anything recently, yeah. So you can see here in the 4 hours starting to nearly break previous low. Oh, my belly. Oh. Wait for the pullback, yeah, we'll see. Right, I'm gonna quickly go rush the toilet again. For fuck's sake. Yeah, 2 minutes for that 5. Max, I think I contacted someone from watching your stream. Ah. It's been going on too long now. I'm gonna have to go to the doctors. It's fucking Thursday, bro. Gold type daily area. Up here it did. Yeah, nice tap. Daily area. Oh, here? Where? I can't see anything on the daily there. Oh yeah, 1948. Yeah. I thought that's what you meant. I was thinking you were doing maybe 1944. Yeah, the daily. So what we're saying here is this daily candle's closed bearish. If you look here. Okay, it broke below this previous support. Now it's just going back to retest it. Or price loves to go retest levels. It's just broken out of. Yeah. Oh yes. Why do we hear grasshoppers? Because it's the music, man. I like grasshoppers. I wish there's grasshoppers in the UK, like. Yeah, Messi's going to America, but he can't speak a word of English.
He must speak some English, but just because he's not good at it, and he's like one of the best players in the world.
I've literally never seen him speak English.
It's like Canelo. Canelo never used to speak English until like, yeah, they're so good. They don't even wanna. Because if you don't speak a language properly, you might sound uneducated.
Yeah. Oh, West Ham won, didn't they? Oh my god, that's nice of David Moyes. Oh, that's good they won something. Prices in yeah, 100%. Not going in unless the hourly makes a top wick. Does I have one on my terminal? No, it doesn't. Yeah, it does. Yeah, it's not the biggest. It's not the biggest. Look at the 30. I'd want it to close like below there, 1944. Leo's a great lad, isn't he? Yeah, Leo's an absolute boy. Went for a beer with the 5 sides. Feel rough, I'm a pussy. Oh, I'm glad you enjoyed it, Ollie, man. Yeah, and I seen Danny's there from Love Island. Did anyone say anything? Bless him. Microphone very loud, bro. Yeah, he's very loud. Ah, that's nice. Told you, they're all good lads, man. Especially Leo. Leo's my boy. Leo lives next to me. Dead nice lad. So, GJ 5-minute big W. Rocket. Ollie for that has no low wick either. Anyone looking at this W? How big would the zone be? quite a lot of ICs everywhere, but it's an interesting one. Good volume kicking in, which is nice. I like to see. You just got in there. Fucking hell, Tom. See, look at this Goldie. Yes. How big is that zone? It's 20 pips to be fair. That W formation could be alright. Especially for the fact that your stop is at the support. You expect price to be bullish just for the fact that we are bullish. $174, $150. 173984. Right, I'm gonna get into this, guys, now. So it's a W formation on Le GG. So I've just taken a trade right now. Bosh. Okay, so I got in on that lower wick here. Right there. Stop loss is below. To go potentially to continue and fill this wick, but also for continuation maybe. I think we might be able to get it to 500. But yeah, first initial target would be like 350. Let me just put that on. 350. So yeah, it's got no top wick as well, so that'll be great for us to make, reflip, push. Nice 16 pip stop, which you got in right at the retest as well. So yeah. Got in right at 152. Yeah, maybe get up to 300. Especially because we're getting in right at the start of this move, which is good. Down, down. 1 hour no bottom wick. Yeah, it's okay. I think. It's done the 30 salary though, so it's decent. What's your entry? My entry was 5-2. 174.52. Is Goldie there yet? No, Goldie's on the support right now. How was the game, Ollie? Did you win? Lose? What was it? 174, 150. Nice. That's fair. Fitness let us down. Yeah, it's just getting used to it, man. It is quite hard fitness, you know. Previous 4 hour close bearish on GJ, yeah. But the daily, we're still at the daily flip. We made support at 174, which is pretty much where our stop is. Normally after a big move like that, after a trace, we then at least retest the highs. Retest it back, it dies. Let's take a look there, Goldie. Goldie coming down. Okay, so just making 50-minute closure. And the 15 on Goldie closed below. Oof, get into Goldie if you can. I'd get into Goldie if you can. $1944.3. Stop loss would be 1946.1. TP would be 42, 41. Okay, so if you guys have got in, I'm gonna have to get in as well because that is beautiful. It's a closure that we wanted. We've just discussed it, so I'm in Goldie now as well. Got in a little bit later than the low, but it's all good. Stop loss is above the previous candle here. $64.1. Yeah, beautiful. And yeah, looking at like, you know, the previous 5 minutes here, they've all pushed down. 15's closed below, so yeah, looks good. Looks good. Entry on gold was 44.09. Dude, it's gonna kill me. What's this about? Dude, this now wick will kill me. What you talking about, Willis? So nearly around, yeah, like 8 pips, 9 pips. Push. Down, 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 down. So exactly how we expected, you know, breaking the 4-hour low to continue bearish. Nice strong candle. Looking at the previous 5s, we should just melt here. Entry and goal was 08. 1944.08.
Overall, on both trades, I'm just like a break even.
I'm watching this goal because I think we're going to get a lot of the move. I might actually not close here because if you look on the right hand side, we pushed all the way down to 1941.3. So we'll see how we push. We still got a long way here. Not! GJ, you have to be the boring one. Doom, doom, doom. So in terms of Goldie now, I'm gonna go. Should we go break even now? Yeah, we're up a decent amount, you know. We're up a decent amount. I got in like there. I'm gonna give it a little bit more time just to push at least to, you know, yeah. 1942 is where I really want it. GJ's been an arsewipe. It's good that we caught that Goldie one though, holy shit. Fuck, I missed gold.
Yeah, I was looking more at gold than GJ, but then I entered GJ when you entered.
It's still got time. What with yesterday's story, hit break even. Yeah, I got out. I pushed it out of it for some reason. It ran fucking loads as well, which was rather annoying. But anyway, yeah. Down, 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 down. Hating not getting in the actual entry one. I got in, yeah, much lower on this gold one. Didn't have time to really push it. If you guys got in actually at the level you should have got in, you already kind of got a 1-to-1. Yeah. Gold's good on the 5 res. Yeah, fair. Do you think the GJW is a bit too big? Yeah, I don't know. I still think it was decent. Mainly for the fact of the higher time frame, but yeah, maybe. It's still in at the moment. This is so hard doing with 2 trades, bro. I don't know which one to fucking look at. Down, 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 down. Yeah, this kind of sucks now. Fucking hell, man. It's so hard to look at bloody 2 trades at the same time, eh? Just having a little bit of a pullback here. First time.
What's up, Mr. Toilet?
What's up? What's up? Is the toilet still here?
Good morning.
What was hard about it? Well, because I should have really managed risk on there on Goldie, but I'm checking GJ and seeing how GJ would have done. And Goldie, because I got in, because obviously we're already in one trade, I missed the actual entry here. This would have already been a 1-to-1. It's just a fuckery. But I'm still have confidence in this pushing down, to be honest. That's why I'm not managing aggressively. Just for the fact that this zone is very, very clean when it pushes. I don't think I need to worry too much about this gold.
And also, you like come down to the Asian lows. Pretty easy.
Yeah, exactly. That's where it should at least get to.
Oh God.
Come on, GJ. Put you back into it. 5 minutes left for the 50. Down, 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 down. It's strong. Where does it say that when price pushes bearish, it's strong? It runs all the way to 1942, at least. From what I can see.
Come on, GJ. Just get your shit together. Just did not like this range. That 5 minute was so, so much potential. Fucking gave up halfway.
Cocktease. I'm just annoyed that I couldn't get into gold because I was right in the fucking signal. Ah, it's so annoying.
What was your entry?
Entry's so late, bro. It was like 5 pips from the fucking thing. I got in.
I'm 1944.20.
Yeah, you're good. You got in 3 pips above me. Motherfucker. I think you. If I was you, I'd be break even. My entry's just.
And to be honest, I do not mind this gold.
No.
Just let me because I don't know, I see this so often. I saw it yesterday again. 4 hour breaking the lows, you have like you
overall trend.
You feel the range as well, the Asian range at least.
Yeah, I agree. That's why we're in it, boy.
It would be nice if both of them played out.
Yep.
Just give me a 1-to-1 on both. I'll be happy.
Yeah, the issue is if when I get in a little bit too late, obviously the R to R, like for me, it would be there. So I need to be logical. Like that was already a 1-to-1. So it's just like it's fucking annoying that I just get in maybe a little bit too late. So I mean, if people are getting who got in here, like actually at the level, then you should have either gone break even or took partials. Yeah, this is where I want to tap to be honest. So yeah. Closing in 2 minutes time, this 30 minute. Everything's still fine, still in our direction, so.
I just want this 15 minutes close above the previous level. Oh, come on, man.
Nah, I'll be fine.
GJ.
Relax,
Okay.
Kiko. Relax. Relax.
This is what I needed. I needed some coaching for this.
Come on, buddy.
Just relax, bro. Start of the 30, probably gonna make quite a top wick here, which is gonna be a pain in the ass, but it's still okay. It's another closure.
I have a bad enter in Go. My enter is 43.69. I closed already.
So yeah, like in this scenario, 30 minutes just closed, bearish below, so it's good. Just has to make a top wick here. Then it should reflip push, and then I'm gonna get my money.
Get my money. Get my money.
GJ, however, isn't doing fuck all.
DJ looking good.
GJ did not want to react to that phone W at all. I liked it because it was with the support forming and the overall bullish trend. Yeah, look, you closing early. You're a pussy.
I'm not a pussy, bro. Just but enter.
Yeah.
So why not the same enter that I have? I just enter now.
Come on, make your top wick. Get it done. So stop is above the previous 30, which is nice.
I'm thinking of closing GJ, man.
Yeah. You only need 6 pips, it's nothing. Depends where your entry is.
Yeah, I think you have a better entry.
maybe I re-enter right now in gold.
I wouldn't re-enter right now because the top wick can be quite aggressive. Wait for it to make a top wick and then get in on the flip.
Oh, really?
Well, right now it's pushing up. So, you know, you don't know how far this is going to push up. This is the issue with the top wick for 30. It can rip up like it is right now. Oh man, if I just took the 15, man, and then just closed it 1-to-1. Bastard. Just been a bit unlucky with stuff like that, especially with gold. Fucking looking at GJ. It's all good though. Shouldn't break the previous 30-minute high if it wants to continue, but just a lot of volumes coming in here, unfortunately for me. And you'll get the drawdown. But yeah, if you're not in yet, then yeah, the flip is what you need. 30-minute has no bottom wick. It does on my terminal. So yeah, if I actually got the entry I wanted, which was just the 15 closure right there, if I didn't have to write my fucking signal, then that would have been a 1-to-1, and I probably would have closed 80% 1-to-1. But the zone's still good, the zone's still big enough. It's just 30 minutes, just ripping here with the top wick. And it may rip me a new arsehole.
Another one.
Another one. Gold hasn't ripped me in a while, to be fair. Gold 50-minute broke previous high. Yeah, it's the top wick of the 30. I'm not asked about that. It's fine. But it is a shame. They draw down at the start, but it's just how it is with the 30-minute closures, you know. It's just it is what it is. Is there a W on the 3-minute? Yeah. There is.
Well, today I feeling like a pilot. Like a pilot.
Like a what?
Oh no, man! I feel my muscle like fluff.
Aching.
You went to run yesterday.
Yeah. And I have the Primavera sun inside my home.
So no good sleep, eh?
No, man. I think my GJ going to the.
GJ looks awful, man. How was the other closure? Is that broken? This gold is ripping up. This is gonna put me in a foul mood just for the fact that we just got in the wrong fucking. Got in just too low on the Goldie. I hate that. Like that difference it doesn't feel like it's a lot, but it's actually like 4 or 5 pips. It's a lot. Fucking bastard.
Gold.
Yeah, but anyway, I used the 30-minute stops. I didn't think of using the 15-minute.
Yeah.
Unlucky, I don't jump.
It's a good trade, man. It's just we would all be done if we just got in. If people got in right there, like I told people to do, I said, guys, it's closure below, take the sell now. You got 16 pips and your stop loss is 16. It's just I got in so much later.
Okay, but when you say sell now, just drop 10 pips.
What?
When you say sell now, and I see it's a really drop, like a 10 pips.
Well, I said the 15's closed, get in now. And then I had to write the signal. Fucking signal. Chance
You
of
need to
losing
be more
2.8. Yeah.
You need to be more faster.
I know.
More fast.
Just get an assistant next to you and just get it to type it out. Like Raja the servant. Just have a servant for.
No problem.
Ah, Goldie. Goldie. He punished me for getting in too late. Thinking about closing GJ early. Yeah, maybe. I don't know. I like this little wick. I still think you should get to the high. GJ stop loss below the 5 wicks. Yeah, you can do that if you fancy it. Yep.
Tom took a buy on gold.
bastard.
Yeah, I believe it go up again.
Well, yeah, now after a fucking massive candle, but it didn't fill the zone. And didn't even give me a 30-minute bottom wick, man. Come on. Give me
You
a
still
bottom
hold
wick
it,
at
Max?
least. Yes.
Oh, sorry.
I know, I should have gone break even. For fuck's sake. Again, this has happened like 3 times recently. Taking a fucking trade, or just don't go break even. Because of my entry's just a little bit lower. I could have just lied and did it, so at least I'm not fucking lying. I could have lied and gone, oh, I got in here, but I didn't. I got in like down here.
This is a new scandal.
Just an aggressive candle. Yeah, I'm gonna take 2 losers here. Gold reacted off a minor level. Don't you just love it when price at a time gives you no top wicks and bottom wicks to enter, but it gives you loads in drawdown? Goldie coming down, sorry, GJ coming down as well. Didn't suck it, just unlucky price pulled back, yeah, especially Goldie man.
Brian's laughing.
See?
It's a big dick candle.
Big fucking dick candle, yeah. Sure is, sure is. Saved you that low hay though. You're like, oh, can I enter now? Like, nah, this 30-minute top wicks could be quite big. Be careful. Get in on the flip is what you'd want to do.
Waiting for the balls. I close it. But I see that it don't carry back up.
Yeah. I only saw like, what did I actually see on my screen? I only saw like 12
normal.
pips. GJ looking normal.
You don't think, big boy?
GJ looking normal.
Today is Friday.
Today is your Friday.
Today is my Friday. Here is it's a holiday in Portugal, Max.
Ah.
Yeah, I haven't both kids in home for 2 days.
Right, I'm out on gold. Fucking bastard. Look at that candle, bro. And GJ looks washed. I haven't really looked at GJ the whole time, to be honest. GJ to me looks like a... to me.
I close.
If you want to, I've wanted a reaction off there. We're still fucking around. Do whatever you want in terms of risk. If you want to get out now, if you don't want to risk anymore, yeah.
I'm gonna give the shit.
Look at that Goldie. Yeah, I think to be honest with you, recently I'm getting very, very sick of doing my own signals. It's actually starting to piss me off now. Because I would have happily have closed that one there. I would have still be in this GJ one, but I'll be fine. It's just a pain in the ass. So I think towards the end of this, I don't know. I've been thinking recently I'm not liking the signals anymore. I may sack them off. I can't be asked to write them. It's painful. It's actually overall made me less money because I miss my trade entries.
We're in gold.
Yeah, well, in gold today I would have been in right at the flip, and I would have closed or got at least break even. But because I'm fucking writing the signal as well, it's too much.
You are real.
And I'm starting to get a bit aggravated with this. I'm not enjoying it as I used to be honest. I really, yeah, I'm not enjoying it.
Don't be mad with gold, bro.
I'm not mad with gold. I'm not mad with gold. Gold's fine. Like gold does that sometimes, but it's
Gold
the way
make-
that it's the way it's the way I've lost it. I got 1-to-1 if I just clicked at the right place. Like
This is the
30
fucking problem
seconds
with
after.
gold. Oh, everything's so faster and
I know you can't write signal. You can't write signals, and you can't.
Exactly.
can't do
How
them
many
all.
times happens did we take the good trade and don't have a time to write the signal?
Yeah. Fucking arrow, stop us to break even. But yeah, I'm starting to get a little bit sick now, to be honest. Of this. Don's right, normally the new channel, we used to talk for the previous channel. Yeah. To be expected. I think it also doesn't help that I'm still fucking ill. And I'm just coming along here, but anyway. So let's take a look right now. The 50-minute time frame on GJ closing bearish. Yeah, this is shit. This price action is garbage. So yeah, just gotta wait on. Yeah. Max is triggered. Yeah, I'm just tired of it, man. This happened so much recently. It's happened. Just, I could talk about maybe the last, not like the last. You know, we've been doing well into this, but I'd say a good probability of recent trades. I've either not gone break even where I literally needed to, but I had about 30 seconds to do it, and then it's hit me out. It's happened twice recently now. I've had times where I've closed too early, the next 1 minute candle rips off. So I'm just kind of sick of trading, to be honest. You get times like that though. You get times that you're just fucking bored of it, man. It just gets boring. And I've hit my plateau at the moment. No, I'll still do the signals. I'm just having a vex. Don't worry about it. It's just, especially because you're getting to the lower time frames, like because we're trading on like the 5 now and stuff. You don't have fucking any time to relax, like to do it. So yeah. So yeah, boy. Max sounds hella emotional right now. Yes, I'm pissed off. Is that all right with you?
That is the GJ that I know. The Max give the back signals in GJ. Don't forget put like in YouTube. Don't forget to subscribe. Stop loss, mates. Oh my God, this is true, no?
Yeah, like that trading view one. I think we've looked at that before, but it still takes a little while.
You guys like gold? Look.
Gold is flying. Damn. I'm still holding on this GG. 30 minutes still closed bullish. Overall, I think we're going to get back to the high. We're overall very, very bullish. The hourly time frame is still bullish, closing in 11 minutes time. And the daily's reflipping and it's closed above. Oh, shit, it's just getting a little bit earlier, but I think it needs to break above 63.
Oh my God, Brian. Oh, Brian is a fucking sniper.
Do you think Don gets emotional for a loss but holds it in for the camera? No, it's not. It's not a loss that gets emotional. It's just the way it happened. Like for me, it's just annoying. Like taking a taking a trade that actually won, but for some reason you lost. It's fucking annoying. And the reason why I lost is because I got in maybe 3 seconds too late. It already pushed down 4 pips, and therefore my R to R was a little bit off. Sorry, not my R to R, my zonage, my 1-to-1s, and I only saw the maximum thing I saw on my screen was 10 pips. So I kind of wanted just a little bit more of a push.
Hey Max, what is the best exercise to the emotion?
What? What?
What?
I don't know what you're saying.
I say, what is the best exercise to control the emotion?
What? Oh, to control your emotions? Not do signals. I don't know. Well, just not over risking.
I really think that when you don't control the emotion, it's not about the signals, it's about that you wanna take the fucking trades.
Well, it's for me. It's like the reason I get pissed off is if I'm losing money on the detriment of providing signals for other people. When if I wasn't doing that, I would have made the money. You know, it's like that's when it's annoying. Yeah, this GJ is ass. But I just know if we break these highs here, we're breaking 3 highs all at once. Still bullish, still nowhere near the stop, still holding support. 30-minute close bullish, made the low wick, flipped. Got a nice wick to fill there, and we do see normally a nice drive in this zone. And this zone is, you know, it's not bad. It's 20 pips.
Let's put some likes in YouTube.
You also get money from signals though, bro. But yeah, but it's nowhere near as much. It's just annoying, you know. It's like sometimes you just lose patience. Are you in? I've been in for a while, brother. Yeah, I've been in for a while. I'm doing no trading. Yeah, we'll see. Both pairs are color rating at the moment. It's weird. Max, is there a referral link? Yeah, just go to my Instagram, man. Recommend a broker. You bury. You can't get payback effects on icy markets anymore? Really? Oh. Why not? Can you actually not? Damn.
What did you say?
You can't get payback effects on like new icy markets accounts anymore. Interesting.
Oh, really? Thank fuck I got it.
Yeah. How's Goldie doing now? Yeah, coming back after that massive push. Great. Well done, Goldie. Well done, well done, well done. If this can pre-flip that 30.
Salud.
Hello. Yeah, I think sometimes as well, like this is another thing as well. Sometimes you want to go, especially being ill, like you want to go back to work and you want to, you know, because you feel bad for people. But man, I shouldn't have came back this week. I still feel like shit, and you can see in my trading as well. I'm just fucking not here. But anyway, you have to learn that. You just gotta take it off. But when you like run something yourself, it's like you can't just tell someone else to do it. It's hard. Right, come and stop me out so I can leave this leave this fucking stream. Jesus Christ. So yeah, now they're turning bearish. You know the score. If this hit stops, Max is gonna smash him on. No, I'm gonna go to bed. But I actually might ring the doctors today. It opens up at 8. So. Yeah.
What do you think about sell gold?
Yeah, I still love the sell as long as it gets back below. It's closing in 3 minutes time, so yeah, we'll see.
What Brian said.
You what?
Really, I want, but I don't want to sell this shit. Oh no, man! All the time that I sell gold, something wrong's happening.
Really?
Yeah,
Selling gold is normally a breeze.
because my feeling is not sell.
Ah, okay. Who's ready for
Let's see what
unemployment claims
Mr.
today?
Lowell Gold said.
Coming down in 2 minutes time, maybe. Two minutes time. Bye, love you, have a great day.
Bye bye, ma'am.
Bye bye, ma.
See you tomorrow. Don't forget, bring me the lunch.
We made mac and cheese last night. Unreal. HelloFresh mac and cheese. Banging.
Macaron cheese,
Yeah, bro, it was nice.
like them.
It was beautiful.
Like the American one?
Yeah, like just, yeah, that's how you do it.
I don't know how to make.
Nah, it's pretty easy. Just cheese, macaroni, mustard, and flour and milk and shit. Nice. Why the F mods don't block these rude people? No one's being rude, really. People are just chilling. I'm vexing because I'm fucking ill, and I've just taken. Yesterday, I got out of a trade that worked 40 pips after, just from feeling shit. Today, I got into a trade later because I was already in one. I clicked maybe 3 seconds too late, and I was down 4 pips. then I would have been on the normal entry, which would have given me a 1-to-1. And now I'm in drawdown. So. And the past 3 M's and W's we've been trying to take, which have worked more than 80 pips, we've missed because they haven't retested. So yeah, it's been painful at the moment. I've actually realized, being on the 5-minute time frame M's and W's, the one drawdown for them is if you miss it and it runs, oh man, it's painful. You gotta just shut your computer and leave. I didn't take that W on gold just because it missed. Because it missed the fucking neckline and ran 400 pips. So, yeah.
400 pips, no?
Nah, I ran a lot, but not a lot. So yeah, it's just been a little bit hard, you know.
Your
Okay.
Asian friend make a lot of money, isn't he?
No, I don't think it did.
Yeah, done. Oh no, he made the money back from those.
Yeah.
DJ up.
Yeah, 15 close bearish, 30-minute close bearish. Sorry, bullish. Yeah, it's a hard one on Goldie now, you know.
I really don't like the sell gold right now.
Yeah, 15. It's still on this little support. Can you see there? Got a break even on GJ? Yeah. Yeah. Oh, shock, I missed the time to get out break even again. I'm just gonna let it play out. So yeah. I'm still gonna let it go, I think. It's still holding support, man. Still holding support, we're still bullish. It's just the price actions maybe painful. You know? Are you still holding? Yep.
Oh my god.
I went out of GJ to check out this choppiness. Yeah, that's fair. Yeah. Why are we buying GJ? Because it was a W formation before. It's still holding the neckline right now in this area. It's also 8 o'clock, so it has a lot of volume. So, and we have respected the lows, so we should get a drive shortly. Shortly.
I think I go surf.
You what?
Yeah, in a couple hours.
Hey, what did you say you're gonna do?
What?
What did you just say there?
Why they say that? Because there's no way
That you're going. He's going surfing.
Ah,
Yeah.
very nice.
I know you guys surfing here in the chat. I take a trade in gold.
Yeah.
Yeah.
What, a buy?
Yeah. Because I have a big balls, Kiko.
Oh yes, shit, I forgot.
And I hold into 76. And you wanna say you are crazy, like say, yeah, no problem. When I gained the 400 pips today.
So yeah, just waiting for GJ to really break these highs here. If you look at the 1 hour, yeah, it's just gonna break. Support forming back into the high. That's all it is. Overall trend's bullish, so trend is your friend.
When I push to 51 right now, Max.
51. Break even when it breaks the high.
Oh. Wow, I feel like hangover, bro.
You feel like you're older?
Well, I feel like a vodka barrel right now.
Oh God. A vodka barrel? The vodka.
You know what you're feeling when you go out and you drink everything. You don't give a shit if you drink gin and vodka.
I haven't actually drank in so long. I'm just not interested in it right now.
Yeah, it's not interesting because you know the next day you're feeling so bad that you say no compense. It's no compense the hangover that you have the last night to the fun time that you have last night with the hangover that you have today. You know, no balance.
Yeah. It's when it's like hitting like an illness. You're like, oh my God, like, I feel rough. Like, why would you ever want to do that? You know?
I like tequila, you know.
Oh, break the high, GJ, man. Come on. Break the fucking high.
They just play with you up there.
Yep. Pay me when I'm ill, bro.
Play
me when you're ill. Oh, I'm so vexed about that gold trade, man. I'd happily take a loss on the chin. I do not give a fuck. It's when like it could have been a winner as well. It's like just that little bit which just happened so recently. It's annoying. It's annoying.
It's a just short loss, Max.
I know, but it also could have been a win if I just fucking got in and not wrote the signal and fucked the other people off.
Every trade is possible win or loss. But you know.
The issue is when I don't call it in the things, I get fucking 40 people going, "Oh, Max, you didn't call that in the signals."
I know.
Every fucking time didn't because it's
someone up there. Okay, just if the people pay attention in the Zoom, you don't need the signal.
Yeah, I know.
No, you have a two service, the Zoom and the signal together. Sometimes it's not possible to write the signal, because the market is so fast. So we need to be attention in the Zoom. But I'm working. Okay, maybe next trade you got it.
I think you have to be calm. Yeah, I normally am. It's just right now, just from the way that I am, in terms of, I had a weekend from hell. I've been shitting my guts ever since. It's just not. Then taking a losing trade, even though it could have been a winner, that's a concoction of pain. It's like, and now you're in a trade that hasn't fucking moved the whole time you've been in it. It's just like, oh. If you want to quit trade and do something like this, just fucking shit your guts out all week. You'll want to quit quick.
Don't quit. Just believe.
Elohe is the preacher over here. Keep me sane. Just
Don't
break the
quit.
fucking high, you tosser! Just break it! The fucking high! Oh my god! It's literally hovering. Just fucking break the high. Right, I'm getting out. Fucking sack this off. Right, I'm out.
Really, you jump out right now that are negative?
What did you get in?
Oh, I'm getting in 74170.
Yeah, you got in high, bro. I got out. Break even. Couldn't break that fucking high. Maybe you
Just
got
leave
it.
open. If he's doing well, I tell you.
Yeah, boy. I don't know. I'd be careful. It's had an opportunity at 8 o'clock to break that high, and it hasn't. Right. All it's got to do is break this high. It's got a nice push up, but yeah, good luck.
But you think
G's probably waiting for us to get our break even to go after. Yeah, probably. Well, we've done that now, so. Max, you have raw spread? Yeah, I have raw spread. My entry was 174157 and I closed at 159, so I lost, you know, not 1 pip, but it's 0.1. Oh, like a little M? Yeah, we'll see.
okay, I close. $20.
Now it's pushing up. I told you. When I get out, look, it'll break the high now. Watch this.
This all the time happens.
Yeah. Wow. Actually did as well.
Wow, Max. Oh, why are you jumping out, bro?
Because it's shit. It was shit. It wasn't doing anything.
I think you
And I
communicate.
was actually proving as well. I said, when I get out, this will run. And I did.
You communicate too much with Kiko, you know, and the trade start jumping.
If I have a chance to get out break even, I'm happy there. It's not. It was nasty. Market makers watching the stream. Hey, that's happened so many times recently. It's actually just I can't even think about it.
Someone in the YouTube holder, maybe?
No, I don't know. I don't care. Hopefully it continues, but it was slow anyway. It's still slow. It may get there, but the price action's crap anyway. It's the main rule of trading, man. If your price action shit, just get out. I gave it a little bit of time there, give it an opportunity because it was still hovering around, but yeah, it wasn't really doing too much. So good job. We had one break even, one losing trade, even though the setup was a winning one. Well done for people who did actually get break even there or close some at 1-to-1. I'm just not with it this week, man. I'm just ill and dying. Update the percentage in the top left. Yes, I will, Princey. It was quick. 16 pip stop. Fucking bastard, man. I hate taking L when I didn't need to. Ah, pisses me off. And then this
What?
one here was 18. Do, 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 do. 0.
I think next week's gonna be better.
There's been good moves though this week, just not like literally like 2 pips for my entry. It's just like there's been
this
2
week
M's
be
or
amazing.
W's or whatever they were.
This week be amazing. Just us, we lost the opportunity. We lost the moment. We can make some magic. No possible.
Yeah. All good. Keep your mental safe as long as you leave for a reason. No crap. How long are you here till now? I don't know. We'll see. It's still early on, but
Be ready. We're ready for the golden jump.
the one thing as well is that look, right. My analysis was to take the cells back down to here. We got that. I did actually push 1-to-1 from where I wanted to get in. GJ, I wanted to continue bullish to come fill the zone. It's done that, and I've lost money. So it's just like, ugh, do you really want to look at anything else anymore? No, not in the slightest. And the same as yesterday. Yesterday, look, yes, beautiful W formation gold, flies 40, 50 pips, doesn't wick me in by 2 pips. It's like, wow, this is fun.
But he go up like a 69 yesterday.
Huh?
Gold go up like a 69 yesterday. Remember that I say 72, he go close 69, 54, I think so.
Yeah.
He touch and go back down like a pussy. You still believe that he go to 41?
Today?
Yeah.
I think it's that push there is the one that I thought was going to get to 41 at least here. To this little level here.
I hope he don't come.
Yeah. First L of the month. And wasn't even meant to take the L.
I think I L yesterday.
Did you?
Yeah. Yeah, because I prepotent. Because I try to overtrade when I don't need. You know, woman brand make mistakes. And I broke my rules because I risk 1%.
Ah. No good, no good.
So these are some quiet today.
You what?
I just play. You know, gold go to 82 today.
82. Fucking hell. That'd be a nice push. That'll be a nice push. Entering 2 trades at a time also sucks dick. I agree. Yeah. I agree.
Oh, Brian, if you're there, you believe in my 82?
Just watch it, just tap 82 today. Be like, yeah.
I asked Brian about what he think about gold. He sent me a photo of a Busla.
In the last time that the real trades come at 9 o'clock, yeah.
Oh, looking GJ right now. I'm so lucky that I jumped out.
Yep. I did think, just when the price action is shit like that, even when it starts moving away, it's just easy to get out, man. Easier to just get it out. Although I literally pushing that thorn max slide slowly. I'm just tired, bro. I'm just really. I've been ill for so long. It's nearly been a week that I've been fucking ill. It's like annoying now. And not help of the trade situations either. I don't mind taking a losing trade. I don't mind taking a trade that maybe didn't work out and maybe hit break even or lost. But when it's like I close 1 pip later, it runs to TP. That's a fucking annoying. Just those little things where it's like, oh man, really, like, is luck really not that on my side that much? Like, come on, they were bad trades. Yeah, one of them was really bad. It went 1-1. The other one went break even. Really, really bad trade they were. Especially the gold one, which had 0 drawdown. Really, really bad trade. In fact, you know what? Actually, all of my recent trades have been bad, If you actually look at all of them, I have taken, 12 wins and like 3 losses. Really, really bad trades. And actually, the past 3 break-even trades, I mean, this one actually was break-even. This one here ran 26 pips. This one here did as well. Actually, this one here we closed too early. And the next 1 minute candle ran 46 pips. So pretty much every single one of our trades in the past 15 trades have done well. So I don't care about the trade. It's just the way I'm feeling in terms of my body. It's just not good. It's added sickness. GJ's ranging between 172 and 174. Yeah, it's ranging pretty hard now, eh? I'm gonna have these on. I may potentially look at taking some interesting ones down here. Little ICs or water blocks when they get down to there, maybe.
Hey, people in the YouTube chat, don't be negative, my guys. Be positive. If you guys positive vibration, everything's have more possibility than doing well.
Too right.
You guys fighting and talking shit for nothing.
Nah, they're not talking shit. Our chat's never bad. There's only like 1 or 2 goons, but they're just doing their own thing.
Guys, for what happened is negative because you guys up in the morning and eat eggs and bacon. Fruits, coffee.
You
like
call
a
him a
Mac.
goon, cuz I'm calling you a goon, Pridzy. You're the fucking biggest goon here. I'm actually looking at these possible buys on gold. It's overall bearish, man. It's still pretty bearish. I think maybe 1950 would be easier, but I'm still bearish, man. I'm not interested in the buys at the moment. I'm interested in them sells they should have given me, which they did give me. I just ate 4 eggs for breakfast. Nice. If I had eggs right now, man, I'd be on the toilet all day again. I am not doing that.
I am in buy. I have a 10 pips already.
From what?
In gold. I know it's fucking crazy, but
So this here, if this was an M, right? If this closes an M here, like this, you couldn't take it because you haven't retested this. Yeah.
break even.
People just people seek for free signals, and when they lose, they become negative. Nah. The only reason why people become negative in the chat is because I'm getting emotional right now. But you know, that's fine. I'm doing that on purpose because I'm fucking ill. I'm ill, bro. Like, and I think as well, like, because you're not obviously with me, you don't know how ill I am. Like, I'm ill. Like, I've been, you know, like when you're so ill, you're like, God, can this just fucking end, like, right now? Like, can someone just put a bullet through my head? Yeah, that's been how ill I've been. So, and especially when the heat is getting hot as well, and I'm absolutely sweating all day with the fucking shits, with trades wicking me out by 1 pip and then running to TP. That shit is not a good concoction. That shit hurts, man. Yeah, GJ just done fuck all. I really thought the if you look here, like in terms of the price action that I was dealing with, I was having some nice, you know, strong candles here. When I got into the trade, it turned to absolute garbage again. So that's just unfortunate. Got out of break even though, so good management. And then yeah, on the gold one, as I said again, I should have gone break even, but the zone was clean at least. I think I knew there was a level that was going to react, but I don't think it was there. I think it was a little bit further below.
Okay, my goal by break even.
Go and get some rest. But the thing is, my issue is that I've been doing that all week. Like, I've literally been doing that all week. I've literally just sat in bed all day trying to get better, but every single morning I just need to shit myself.
Just for a couple of days, not much.
Started on Saturday, it's now Thursday, so it's nearly a week, bro.
It's normal. I'm be like that many times a week because I eat everything that I see. Oh, I don't give a shit. This is good or bad, you know. Sometimes whether my kids don't eat the yogurt because it's a valid yogurt, I eat, man.
You eat the fucking expired yogurt?
Yeah, man, I pay for this shit. I don't want to put money in the garbage.
Fuck that, man. Any like dairy milk products that goes like even thing is for me, even if like it doesn't smell bad or like it's fine, like man, just the expiry date. Like if I know it's like 2 days out of date, man, that'll make me feel sick. I won't be able to eat that shit.
I don't eat that shit. Looking better. No, the cheese is not make like that.
Celery on gold, 30-minute, 1 hour flip bearish. On the hourly time. Celery gold in the 30. Yeah, I mean, the only issue you've got is your stops are huge.
You have a 50 pip.
Yeah,
Stop.
Like 38 pip stop and then TP 30. It's a little bit off. A little bit off.
But you think he go make AM?
Yeah, but as I said, this is the untested. We haven't came back and tested here, so you couldn't take the M there because price will react off that.
I wanna wait for the test and buy.
What's GJ doing, man? Yeah, add these on. Let me.
How many sheds you take today already, man?
How many shits? Like twice. Like since this morning. But bear in mind, I've been up all night. Gold 750. Okay. Oh, that trade was so nice as well. I hate putting an L on this trade because it fucking wasn't an L. The trade was great. Next time I'm ill, I am not coming back to the streams until I am 100% better because it's been a waste of fucking time. GJ 710. GJ is still playing out the liquidity trap from 730, looking for buys if you get an opportunity. Good luck. I tried to look for buys. It gave me nothing. Yeah, the 5 minutes it's just a little bit choppy. That is your only issue with it, man. Who the fuck is that?
It's me.
What if we take the gold M and go break even at the untested? See if you get in there. It's only 10 pips. Your stop loss is 22, man. It's too small for me. So yeah, we still just gotta wait on here to get out of this range now. Pretty much. Jobless claims. Yeah, it's fucking price action up. Yeah. Maybe. That's the thing with like days like this. There's just nothing here. But then the days like yesterday there is. It's just. So hard to get into, man. Those M's and W's, you just gotta click. If I was by myself, I think I would click, but just telling someone else how to get in is hard when you don't even know when it's gonna get to. It's a hard one.
It's like when you go out and go to some disco, see a beautiful woman, and your friend comes, go speak with that one.
Yeah, maybe 9 o'clock will give something. But I think in terms of zones, where would everyone want to trade gold? I don't know. In terms of, for me, where I would want to get into the buys, to be honest. This is actually a support, and this is a bit of a W. To be honest.
You see the candle of gold? The weak candle?
Yeah.
It's testing already the 38s, you know? I believe he pushed to 64 again.
Tommy boy, you eyeing this up, my man. Any untested areas nearby? Not really. We're at to support. I don't think it's too bad. Yeah. Because that would be the 4-hour reflipping in. The 4-hour last time pushed all the way back up. So it's... Especially how it's holding the support well. Yeah. So we'll see the next 5 minutes. This one obviously hasn't closed above. Trying to help my daughter with her homework with 2 trades and the GOOO is not ideal. Oh my god. I'd love to have seen that. Oh, if I just gotten that goal so much. But it's also your morals as well, right? Like, you know, that gold sell there could have been going, oh, I got in at the entry and, you know, close 80% there, but it's just lying, man. It's not fair. That loss, but I really should have just gone break even again. Maybe on that 30-minute with the top wick, but it's still, it was a nice 30-minute strong closure. I expect to make a top wick and then flip, but it just didn't flip. Yeah, just did not flip. Down, down, down. Entry. You should pretend you have the original entry and apply discipline to that scenario. Yeah, I know. That's the thing, right? You know, you've got your entry, but the entry you should have got was the flip. Therefore, you should have just gone break even, 100% a Harry. But people should. Yeah. But then also you have to deal with that in your head. You also deal with after writing the signal. You have to also deal with the other trade that you're in. It was just a bit too much. How's your health, Max? Not good. Hey, Max, did you catch any moves, NY? Yeah, I did. I took a nice M. Which fun. Why did we even close it? Like, nah, we closed it because it was maybe not the cleanest. But it worked. Stayed around the neckline, then died. I closed just before it started to push. A break even. Oh, belly. Yes, looking just choppy, bro. No volume in London? What? Has this been happening recently this week? The volume's been shifting to NY maybe? In June? It looks like maybe. Gold W is the untested below. Yeah. Thing is, it didn't even retest A. Waiting for job claims, yeah, it may be. Especially recently. What happened to the previous job claims, right? So there was one on June the 1st. job claims, June the 1st. I moved quite a lot. The whole day. 130 came, yeah, we pushed up. So it moved quite a lot, the last job claims. Oh nice, took the same trade, but I was looking at wire flips and morning champ, hope you get better soon. My girlfriend is making chicken. My girlfriend is making chicken soup. Oh, I'm sick of the fucking sight of chicken right now if it's giving me this illness. God dang. Yeah, I think in terms of the Sims, I think I'm just gonna start next week, guys. I think it's just we'll have a fresh next week. How about next week we just do 4 Sims instead of 2 this week? How about that? Would that make it a bit easier? Because I'm just not here really with them. I'm just sore. Yeah. We'll do the Sims next week. All 4 of them. But I will do the homework this week. I will do the homework, but everything else, yeah, we'll just move to next week. I'll do the homework because people have put effort into that. I want to do it. So yeah, now we're starting to do the homework for M's and W's, which is good as well. I start to see, I'm going to put loads on and see which ones you'd want to take, which ones you wouldn't want to take. Which I like. Come off pace. Yeah. I got 4 break-even trades. Yeah, I agree, Tom. Yeah, guys, I'm gonna leave it off over here. Sorry for today. I know I'm a bit in a pissy mood, but it's just because of how ill I am and the situation. But yeah, hopefully next week will get better. Hopefully tomorrow will be maybe a little bit better. Today I'm gonna be taking my vitamins, drinking my water, and relaxing. I will still have the charts on to the right hand side, but I'm just gonna take it easy. I really want to make sure this bug fucks off, and then we'll be ready to smash it next week. But yeah, thank you so much for coming on. It's been fun. Hope you guys have had some good comedy today, watching me rage. But yeah, I mean, in terms of the goal was correct. It's just unfortunate with the entry. I'm not going to discuss it again. But good analysis, pushed down. GJ just ranged here, no price action. It's a bit unlucky there, but that was break even, so that was good. Just the only issue for me was the gold sell. I should have yeah, taken it a little bit easier and got break even or close 80%. But yeah, thank you so much for coming on, guys. See you in the next one. Hopefully I'm a little bit better. Thank you so much for being appreciative and being nice to me. I know I've been an arsehole, but I'm just ill, bro. Thank you. Peace out. See you later, squad. See you later, Zoom. See you later at 12 o'clock. Hopefully I'll be there, and then we'll see what NY has. It's happening much later on, so we may stay on a little bit later, okay? Depending on 12 o'clock and how it looks, we may start like at 1 and maybe finish at 3 o'clock or 3:30, because the moves are happening much later on. So yeah, peace out, guys. Thank you. See you guys there. I know I'm sorry for recent times, but as I say, it's not, as I say, in terms of negativity, I'm just being a negative bastard because I'm ill. But if you actually look at the trades taken so far, this month would be, you know, 3 break evens, 1 win, 1 loss, and then obviously in the past 10 trades we've taken so many winners. So don't worry about it. In terms of that, we're still very, very positive. And we're only getting into this month, really. As I said, we've been ill pretty much most of it. So thank you very much. See you in the next one. Peace out, squad. Adios, adios, adios. See you later, YouTube. Thank you so much for coming on. I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out.